What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Vicious Fades here. I know it's been a century since I posted my last video, but check it out. I just posted one here today for you guys to watch. And we're going to be doing a comb over. So first things first, we got to start with that bowl line. According to his head shape, putting a drop wouldn't be beneficial in this case. You're going to kind of just want to go straight across. This is going to be a medium fade. So there we go. And now make sure everything's even. Take a look, see. Perfect. Go ahead and you can start with the half, which would be no guard all the way open. And we're gonna go up about an inch, maybe a little more over an inch. We're gonna close that up halfway, and we're gonna just, instead of going up an inch, we're going up half an inch now, okay? This is called blending. This is the fade. Alright, and then you just close it up just a tad more, and we're gonna keep going up, and at this point we're going up about a 1/4 inch. And finally, with the same machine that you used to make the bowl line, we're gonna go ahead and use that to get rid of that very bottom line. Be very careful, do not go up too high and start up a new line, but don't be afraid either, because then you'll result with a bowl cut. And as you can see, there's no line there. Obviously that line in the middle is, but we're gonna get to that in a second. Okay, now with the one guard on there all the way closed, we're gonna go up about an inch. You can see that line's kind of fading away, but it's still there, obviously. So now we got the half guard on there. We got the half guard. That's gonna help just get the rest of that very faint line out, you know. At this point, you're gonna have to play with the lever and determine exactly how much you need the clippers to be closed, or if they need to be open more. So just keep close attention here. Now that we got rid of that, I'm ready to go ahead and blend the top, make the top come together. It's gonna be some clipper over comb, some scissor over comb. Right now all I'm doing here is I'm trying to find the perfect part, okay, which is right there. Alright, and that little area right there on the crown, that's what's gonna get blended in so it can look smooth. Just make sure that line is absolutely perfect. And here's the clipper over comb action. Not trying to take too much off. You want to leave some kind of weight there, that way he's able to comb it down. And looks like it's coming along already. So this customer actually wants a hard part, so see how we already found the part earlier. Now it's easy to just kind of trace over it with the trimmers. Just be very careful. Obviously you don't want your hand to slip and leave a bald spot. That'll ruin the haircut for sure, so just be very gentle, and it should come out straight. And now after you do this with the trimmers, you can also go ahead and hit it one more time with the straight blade to make sure that it is absolutely perfect. Also, I like to keep the line no wider than 1/4 inch, because if you go anything wider than that, and it's just it's not pretty. It looks like a damn, you know, airplane's gonna land on your head. So and now the rest of the hair we're gonna touch up with scissor overcomb. That's the finished product. It's basically a mid fade with the comb over and a hard part. So hope you guys learned something from this video. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment. I'm trying to make new videos, probably gonna do something different than tutorials, but stay tuned.